Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 3. I hope that you and your families are all well and staying safe. Um, week 2 was great. You had some great conversations about environments. I loved how our discussion of environments really talked about the adult actions, how adults intentionally set up the environment in order to create supportive environments for children, both indoors and out of doors. This week, we're going to talk about the importance of relationships, and as part of that, we're going to talk about developing rules and also about the importance of good communication. We have some different kinds of activities this week. You'll be reading Chapter 8, and then there are some videos for you to watch to supplement Chapter 8. I hope you get a chance to watch them. Our discussion this week is going to be about effective, positive communication strategies. And we're going to talk about a situation that you may have been in, whether it be in a classroom or be in just your life, and how you might have, after doing this research and doing this readings, might have been able to do something differently in order to be more effective with your positive communication, and then talk a little bit about how that can be applied in a classroom situation. We have some different kinds of activities this week. You're going to have a key characteristics of communication assignment in which you're going to go to a Google form. There's a link to a Google form in the week 3 assignment, key characteristics of communication. And you're not going to be graded on your work, you're going to be graded on your participation. So you go in and you're going to check off what kind of communication each different example is, and then give some of your own examples. Again, you're not graded on your performance, you're graded on your participation. You're also going to have an assignment about classroom rules, and some of you in your transition and your environments talked about classroom rules. So I'm going to ask that you write a 2 to 3 page narrative or do a 3 to 4 minute video to explain how you can get children to create their own classroom rules. And kids often start with all the things they shouldn't do. And what I want you to do is talk about how to change their shouldn'ts into shoulds, how to make this a more positive thing for children. You have a short untimed quiz, and you can use your textbook to assist you. It is open book, take as long as you need. There are only 4 multiple choice questions and a short essay. Make sure you read all the questions really carefully because you are going to have to select more than one answer for the most part with those multiple choice questions. Again, it's a very short quiz. It should not take you too long, but you can take as long as you need. So that's really our overview for this week. Again, if you have any questions or if you run into any problems, throw me an email and I'd be happy to set up a time to talk. I do have office hours, but I know that they don't always work well for everyone. So you are more than welcome to set up a time that will work for you. Those of you who have been in touch with me know that typically I get back to you right away. If I don't get back to you within an hour or two, definitely within a day. And again, I hope all of you are staying safe. I hope all of you are staying well. And I really look forward to our conversation this week. Take care.